this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix there were a few errors in retrieving your data on PayPal. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are getting this error while trying to use your PayPal account or while trying to make a payment, then there are quite a number of steps you can take. First, you need to go to your PayPal app, and here it is, and access PayPal app info page to troubleshoot this error. You can do this by just going to settings. So if you go to settings here, look for this option called apps and then manage apps or all apps. Now here, search for your app by name. So I just search for PayPal like that, and this will take you to PayPal app info page. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to force stop here and tap on it, and also go to clear data and then click on clear cache. So sometimes you might be experiencing this error while trying to make payments or while just trying to use your normal PayPal app. Once you have done this, now restart your smartphone and now everything should be okay. However, if this does not fix your problem, then you might want to check if you have any VPN on your phone or your computer. Make sure you turn it off, because this might be indicating you are in a different location rather than the usual place you are in. However, in most cases, if this problem does not go away, then most likely it is because of server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes before you try to use PayPal app. But in case you encounter this error while trying to make payment, you may want to check your credit or your card to ensure that you have enough funds before you can try to make your payment. So let me know which of these steps was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.